In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Zoom meeting invite with Gmail. By the end, you'll be able to grab your Zoom meeting details and share them clearly and professionally through a Gmail message. Start in Zoom, either on the desktop app or in your browser. Open the meeting you've already scheduled, or quickly schedule a new one if needed. Once the meeting is open, look for the option to copy the invite information. You'll usually see two choices: Copy Invitation and Copy Join Link. Copy Invitation gives you the full text, including the clickable join link, the meeting ID, and dial-in numbers for phone participants. Copy Join Link gives you just the direct link to join. If your recipients may call in or need full details, choose the full invitation. If you're keeping the email short and everyone will click to join, the join link alone is fine. Now head to Gmail and click Compose to start a new email. In the message body, paste what you copied from Zoom using Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac. The formatting from Zoom typically carries over, so the link should remain clickable. If you pasted only the join link, make sure it appears on its own line so it's easy to spot. Keeping the invite near the top of the email helps recipients find it quickly. Next, write a clear subject line, such as Zoom Meeting, Project Update, or Zoom Meeting, Team Check-in. In the body, add a brief message with the date, time, and time zone, plus a short agenda or goal for the meeting, like Status Review and Next Steps, 30 minutes. This context helps people prepare and reduces back and forth. If you pasted the full invitation, it's okay to place your note above it and leave the Zoom block as is. If you pasted only the join link, consider adding the meeting topic and time just above the link so everything essential is visible at a glance. Finally, add your participants' email addresses in the To field. Use CC for people who should be in the loop and BCC if you're emailing a large group and want to protect privacy. Give the details a quick review to confirm the time, link, and any agenda notes are correct. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipients will receive the Zoom meeting details via Gmail and can join by clicking the link or, if you included the full invitation, by using the dial-in numbers from their phones. That's it. You've sent a Zoom meeting invite with Gmail clearly and confidently.